Man, stop playing with me. What?
All right, so we sat, we waited, we got nothing. This where we ending at. 4.96 on the customer rating, 13% on the AR. So basically up, down, and right back where I started. We made a total of $35, y'all, in 3 hours.
And I've decided that I want to die.
We made another $7 on Uber Eats. Probably could have, you know, sacrificed a little bit of my soul and taken one of them other orders, but I'm good. I'm like, nah, man. No. Only way I'm doing long distance deliveries is on Earn by Time. So you know what? On my very next shift, that's the way we gonna be doing it. And you know what? I'm gonna roll with the punches, man. I'm gonna be doing that Doordash glitch for as long as I can.
Trust.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
We on, we paused. I'm just going ahead see what come in first. I was trying to do Earn by Time, but I was like 10 minutes late to my shift. So now my only option is Earn by Offer. Well, I sure hope they don't send me a whole bunch of no-tip offers first. I'm actually trying to make some money. We on the schedule for 4 hours. Nope, 3 hours. Let's see if we can make something happen. Very first order. We got $2.75 for 8 miles. What is going on, man? What is going on? Why would I ever do an 8-mile delivery for $2? That makes no sense. I'm not doing it. $2.75 for 8 miles is not happening. What the heck? I'm gonna look. We finna roll out. I knew it was gonna be a no-tip order. First Uber Eats order, $10.29, 23.7 miles at Cracker Barrel. That's absolutely crazy. That's gonna be a decline for me. Let's go ahead and hit that. First Uber Eats order, absolute trash. But you know what? I got faith. We're gonna be able to make some money tonight. But look, I'm not taking no crazy offer. Got a DoorDash order coming in. Let me go ahead and check it out. $8.05 for 3.8 miles at Papa John's. Yes, sir. I will be taking that. I'm gonna go ahead and throw a screenshot up. We heading up the road right now. Papa John's right up the road. I will be taking that. First, let's get it. First DoorDash order. This one got an odd change amount, so it may not go up. $8.05. That lets me know that it may be some merchant ordering going on this side of the equation. But either way, this is the second pizza order I got in a row, so that lets me know it's gonna be some volume on that side of the equation, on the pizza order side. I got my DoorDash pizza bag, so we ready to go. Papa John's right here. Now the only thing that can make this better is if they decide to stack something with this and then make it more money for the same mileage or just a little bit more. So we're gonna go ahead and mark arrived. We pulling in right now. My Papa John's in my market is drive-through. Makes it a lot easier to keep it moving. It's only one car in the drive-through right now. So it looks like we're gonna be picking up for Blake. He got a papadilla, some wings, a pizza, garlic cup, sauce cup, boom, easy order. We got our pizza bag ready to go. Let's grab this first order. So a lot of times when you start out your shift on DoorDash and they send you a pizza order right away, a lot of times, you know, if you verify that pizza bag right away, take a picture of it inside the app, even if you've already previously verified it, a lot of times they'll send you more pizza orders. So just like I knew, it's prompting me to take a photo of my pizza bag, which I will do right now. Boom, let's get that photo going. Got the DoorDash logo front and center, boom. And just like that, we got that picture, submit photo, usually take just a few moments, boom. Your bag has been verified. Now for the remainder of this shift, I should see an influx in pizza orders. So that's just a little trick for you out there, you new dashers trying to make some money. You know pizza orders a lot of times be more profitable, more volume when you get the pizza orders. So don't accidentally confirm the order once you verify that bag. But I do like to verify the bag while I'm waiting on that order or before I get there and pick up the order. Just $3.05 for 3.5 miles at McDonald's on Uber Eats. No, sir, we will not be taking that. Should have that order up already now. Yes, ma'am, no worries. All right, we got a hand-to-me customer on this one, guys. Y'all know how I feel about hand-to-me customers, but you know what? I ain't even finna trip. First order that we completing of the day. The miles to money ratio makes sense, and it's a pizza order. So you know what? I'm gonna take it a little bit easy on this one. Let's go ahead and get this camera set up though. This look like 412 right here. But I'm gonna get my DoorDash app all the way set up so I can take a picture when I get up there, because I don't be trusting these customers when it come to hand me. So I still get a picture. I don't like to be fumbling around with stuff when I get up there. Handed it to the customer, no tag, no cash tip on this one. But let's see if it increases. $8.05 is what it showed on the offer screen. I got a feeling it's gonna stay that. Whenever it's an odd amount, it usually stays that amount. Looks like we got some service issues right here. I'm not seeing no total. but Uber coming in with orders. So what's up with that? $15.67 for 20 miles? No, sir. I want to see the total on this DoorDash order. That's what I want to see. $8.05 stays $8.05. Like I said, it was a good miles to money, so I'm cool with it. And again, I'm probably not getting the best customers on the DoorDash side because I'm not getting priority on high-paying orders, and I'm not getting any priority to Dash Now. So the customers that I get probably are not the best. So, I mean, it was a good in-app tip, but, you know, nothing hidden. It is what it is. $3.75 for 3 miles, Buffalo Wild Wings. That's going to be a decline for me. 12% going down. Cool with it. Now we got an Uber Eats order coming in. $8.05 for 12 miles. Freddy's Frozen Custard. Nah, we good on that. We're gonna let that just go ahead and time out. Lots of bad offers out here. I don't mind declining them. My decline game is real strong. Let me know what your acceptance rate is in the comments below. So on DoorDash, we are at a 12%, might be at 11 now. Let's see, we at a 12% on DoorDash, and I believe I'm at a 7% on Uber Eats. Let's get it. They send me good offers, I'll take them, but I'm not taking out no trash today. I even tried to turn on Earn by Time when I left the crib. But I will say it's my fault. I was late to my shift, so they didn't allow me. It was already enough dashes on Earn by Time. I get it. But I'm on Earn by Offer. If they don't want to send me good ones, I'm just going to decline them. That's, you know, I will be trying to get my acceptance rate up. But the only way I'm doing it is Earn by Time, because ain't no way I'm doing $2 for 8.8 times in a row to get my acceptance rate up. It's not happening. So I'm going to have to do Earn by Time. That's the only way. And will I be cranking that Earn by Time glitch? You absolutely right. Now that I found out about it, I'm about to use it. But it ain't going to help me get my AR up. It's just going to help me not take orders that's going 10 miles away. $16.02 for 13 miles. Double stack. Double stack action. Look at that. That's crazy. Nah, bruh. They tripping out here in these streets, bro. Nah, talking about it's busy. It ain't busy. Got $7 for 4 miles at Arby's. I'm gonna go ahead and take that because I've been sitting here for a second. I was literally just about to say, I ain't been doing nothing but declining orders, but they sent me this one. It's the perfect time. Let's head over to Arby's, and then we're gonna check back and see what we get on DoorDash next, because DoorDash, I thought they was gonna have the most orders. I really did, but Uber Eats been sending the same amount of orders.
Turn right on Troy Road.
All right. They ain't been the best of orders, but they've been sending them through. So I'm like, look, okay. When you in the gig economy, you got to be able to switch gears at a moment's notice. So you know what? We ain't on Earn by Time. We on Earn by Order. We getting orders. We completed an order on DoorDash, but they not sending them through consistently. So we finna go ahead and multi-app, because that seemed like that's the way to go with it. Arby's is right down here too, so we literally was basically right next door to them. So we got 4 straight miles to this customer, and the only thing that'll make this better is if we can get a DoorDash or a stack through Uber Eats to add on to this delivery and go ahead and maximize that mileage. But I just got a Cold Stone order, $6.50 for 1 mile. So I'm gonna take that. Thank you. And I'm gonna stack it. So we're gonna be doing that. Dropping off some Cold Stone, $6.50 for 1 mile. These kind of orders I like delivering right here. That's a good miles to money ratio. Alrighty, ice cream customer. Boom. That picture, we out. A lot of them ice cream orders, man, they be ordering from like 10 miles away. Absolutely crazy. That was a good customer right there. $6.50 for 1 mile turns into $10.50 for 1 mile. Let's get it. That's crazy. Very next order, we got $5.50 for 4.2 miles at Applebee's. No, sir, that's gonna be a decline for me. No hidden tip potential on an order like that. Uber came through with the next offer. We got $8.09 for 12 miles. No, sir. It's not happening. All right, DoorDash, what we got? Talk to me nicely. We got $10.25 for 7 miles. I normally don't even take that, but it's all highway. So I'm finna go ahead and snatch that. It's at 54th Street. Probably ain't gonna be no hidden tips on it, but I'm sitting at 54th Street right now. Only got an hour left on this dash. So I'm gonna take this $10 for 7 miles. It's $10.25 for 7 miles. I'm gonna take that. And hopefully I get a stack. Oh, snaps. I just got a stack. An additional $6.50 for 2 miles. I'm gonna take that. Man, I was just saying to myself, I hope I get a stack, because that's really gonna be the, you know, that's what I need for this order. So now we got 2 orders at 54th Street. That's perfect. We picking up for Ashland and Cosetta. Let's get it. I'm gonna pull over there right now. We got both of our DoorDash orders. Got one in the DoorDash pizza bag, one in my hot bag right here. Hold on, get that straight. Boom, there we go. Now we're gonna be doing like a 7-mile highway drive, and hopefully I have like 30 minutes left once I drop these off and maybe get another order or two. Alrighty, we got the first one dropped off, hand to me customer. It was a nice lady though, and that order did come in as $10.25 for the original 7 miles, so it probably is at least a $5 tip. I don't think that one is gonna go up, but you know what? We pulled away. We can go ahead and check. I took a picture. I opened up the in-app chat. You know how I do. I take my picture. We can confirm it. I don't see nothing. Okay, $10.25. That's a $7 tip. So like I said, $7 tip right there. We finna make an additional $6.50 on this next 2-mile drive. But you know what? It's not even as bad as I originally thought it was, because I know it's a McDonald's, a Taco Bell, Jack in the Box, Little Caesars, and a few other merchants that I'm missing. So we're actually gonna be dropping off in a good spot where I may have a chance of getting that last order that I'm gonna need. 32 minutes. So that should be plenty enough time to get an order from one of these merchants over here. My backup plan is if about 8 minutes go by and I don't get nothing, I'm hopping right on this highway and I'm gonna shoot up back where I just came from, which I don't wanna do, because then that means I got round trip miles, but then it's also a Cracker Barrel right here. So you know what? I think we might be in good shape as far as getting another order to at least make it worth coming down here, because I don't even normally come down to this part of my zone. This is probably like the southeastern most area of my zone that you can actually still get orders in. So you know, that's the game plan. We're finna drop this other one off, and hopefully we can get one more that makes sense. That's the key part, because I can get an offer over here, but no tip offers, low tip offers, high mileage offers going, taking me even more south outside of my zone, or upside down orders. There's plenty of scenarios where I can get an order that don't meet my parameters. I really need that, you know, 17% chance order that I get where it's perfect miles to money ratio and it's taking me back in the direction I came from. Okay, so that's A. So this must be B over here. Okay, I almost had it right. Number 2 right here. Boom. Simple. How you doing? You have a good day. Thank you. All right, we got that one done. Boom. Let's see. Boom. $6.50 stays $6.50. That's cool. But the main thing that I'm worried about is, where is my next order coming from? You know what? Let's get this seatbelt on first and foremost. I need to clip this camera somewhere, so I'm gonna just clip it right here, just like that. Something behind me? Okay, let's see what that is behind me. Hold on. Let's clip this right here, just like that. Boom. Now we in there. All right, what's behind me? Oh, the dog was behind me. Okay, I think we're good to go now. We're gonna let them bag out first. I wonder what this order gonna be. It's probably gonna be, if I had to guess, I would guess Little Caesars or McDonald's. But to keep it 100 with you, if I get an order, okay, we good. You gotta be careful when there's animals out here roaming around without no leash. You don't want them to run behind you while you're bagging out. I usually parallel park when I pull in somebody's driveway. I usually reverse in so that I can pull out easy and see where I'm going. But the customer was actually pulling up with me at the same time, so I had to go ahead and pull in the safe way so that they don't, you know, do something crazy and not understanding I'm reversing in. Didn't want that headache. All right, we back out on the main road. Let's get it. What is the order gonna be? I probably should turn Uber Eats back on too. Even though, hold on, did that say 28 bucks? No way. I know I didn't make 28 bucks. Okay, it say $3. No, we're gonna post up right there. Okay, Uber Eats, what you got? Make it hot. $13 for 19 miles. What is this? What is this, Uber Eats? I can't do nothing with that. That's crazy. He's tripping out here. I'm about to pull over right over here at Emo's. I don't even know if they own a food delivery app, but you know what? We're finna pull over right here, and just maybe Doordash will come through with an order. If I don't get an order that meets my parameters in these 8 minutes, I'm heading out. Okay, so we got an order, but it's not great. $9.75 for 11.9 miles. That's crazy right there. Look, check this out. We will not be taking that. We will be declining that. I was actually getting kind of hopeful. I was getting my AR up. We at 13%. Look, it is what it is. I'm not even finna wait the full 8 minutes now. I'm out of here. I'm heading to this highway, and I'm about to hit that. Let me go ahead and flip this around. 1, 2, 3, boom. We heading to the highway, and we about to make it happen. Look, I got 30 minutes left on this Doordash shift, and I want to try to get an order or two if I can. Maybe a nice little stack. We sitting at $35.30 on Doordash and $7 on Uber Eats. So we barely at 42 bucks for 3 hours of work. Not good. You know, actually it's 2.5 right now, but it'll be 3 hours once this Doordash shift is over in 30 minutes. So let's see if we can squeeze a little bit more money out of this market and go ahead and make it do what it do. If I can make it to 50 bucks, I'd be happy. 50 for 3 hours, that's cool, but it ain't looking too good, guys. I'm only at 42, so I need an $8 order. That's not even asking a lot. One $8 order going, you know, no more than 2 or 3 miles, that'll put me at 50 bucks. So that'll be a win. I should be able to do better than that, but let's see what happens. We got 30 minutes left. If this was a good day and the markets, you know, were banging, I probably could easily make it to 60 bucks or maybe even 70. But I'm gonna keep my expectations low so that I don't get too upset if they just send me a whole bunch of trash offers. Come on, Doordash. I'm sitting here at Freddy's now. I just need one more order. I got 17 minutes before this dash is over with. Doordash. Oh, let's see what my AR is, man. They got me out here. I'm at 13%. But you know what? It's all good, though. Once I get another schedule, I'm going to be doing some earn by time. I'm going to get that acceptance rate up. I will do it. Because you know what? I know they ain't going to give me no priority or no high-paying orders. Even though I did get that one good Cold Stone order today. You know, those 54th Street orders was okay. Those orders stacked together made it an okay offer. Like, I'm going to get this AR up and I'm going to see what's up. DoorDash ain't sending out nothing good, nothing consistent if you got a low acceptance rate and you're doing earn by offer. It is what it is, man. And I don't want to keep going through this crap. I want to get orders and back to back. And I want some good ones too. So you know what? I'm going to go ahead and raise it up. Hopefully I can make it to 50%. Last time I tried, I only made it to 47 and I got so pissed off. I said, I'm done. They kept sending me long distance deliveries, man. It was just one after another. So I was like, you know what? I'm done. I'm done caring. And I was just declining everything, and anything I could take that was profitable, I'd take it. But I was declining. Y'all know how I do. So you know what? Let me just get something I can take. Don't send me nothing else to decline, DoorDash. And let's help each other out. Okay, let's help each other out. All right, so we sat, we waited, we got nothing. This is where we ending at. 4.96 on the customer rating, 13% on the AR. So basically up, down, and right back where I started. We made a total of $35, y'all, in 3 hours on DoorDash. We made another $7 on Uber Eats. Probably could have, you know, sacrificed a little bit of my soul and taken one of them other orders, but I'm good. I'm like, nah, man. No. Only way I'm doing long distance deliveries is on earn by time. So you know what? On my very next shift, that's the way we gonna be doing it. And you know what? I'm gonna roll with the punches, man. I'm gonna be doing that DoorDash glitch for as long as I can. Try to avoid the truly extraordinary distance deliveries, because I've seen some. If you check out my previous videos, I think the last video, no, not the last one I made, but the one I put out before that. Man, DoorDash sent me a 30-something mile delivery on earn by time, and then turned around after I declined it, sent it back to me as a triple with the extra 30 minutes worth of time estimated on it. Like, it was ridiculous. I've never in my life got an order like that. So I know how bad it can get in my zone on earn by time. So I will be using that for as long as I can. But I got to do something to get this AR up, because $40 in 3 hours ain't finna work for me. And that's only because I got Uber. So look, if you made it this far in the video, you know what to do. Hit that like button and the subscribe button, and also pray for me, because I ain't making no money. I'm out here broke. I got to figure out how to pay these bills.